Hello friends, I'm Mohammed, 22 years old.
And I am Yazan, 20 years old from Gaza.
We are university students supposed to graduate this year.
We opened our own office to build our future, but to do the war. Our lives came to a halt and our dreams were shattered.
We lost our home, university, and office since last October 7. We were forced to leave our home under threat.
This marked the beginning of our displacement to the south of Gaza.
We kindly ask for your help to leave Gaza by donating through the link.
Please be the reason to save our lives.